guys, welcome to Side-by-Side Therapy. Today we're going to be working on how to fix your air leaks on your tires. So, one of the common reasons why we have to keep putting air on our tires with the BeadLocks is because they lose air. The most common way for them to lose it is through the BeadLocks. They always leak from over here. So today we're gonna fix that, and I'm gonna show you an easy fix to it. It's very inexpensive and it's very, very fast to do it. So come with me, all right? Follow me. All right, guys, one of the common things that you see in UTVs is air loss on the tires. As you can see, this one I put air 2 days ago, and right now it's like 10 psi or maybe less. So I'm gonna show you today how to fix this. So in this case, I'm gonna put air on this one so you can hear the air leaks. I will bring it to around 30 psi. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's around this area. I'm gonna put water so you can see it. I'll be back in a second. As you can see, it's leaking from this place. You see the bubbles? That's air that's leaking through the BeadLock. So I'm gonna take off the BeadLock and we're gonna inspect it and we're gonna assemble it back together, okay? So walk with me. So in this case, you have to inspect the beads. One of the common reasons why they leak is because this is too dry. So when you put it down, sometimes it's like kind of crumbled like this. So you want it under the seam. So in order for us to achieve this, we're gonna first clean it up a little bit, right? Because it's already clean. And after that, we're gonna put a little grease, regular grease inside here, so the beads can go nice and the way it's supposed to be, right? Nice and soft on their place. See this? Right here, that's where the air was leaking for. You see that? You see? So that's why you need to put a little bit of grease on it. Okay guys, so now as you can see, I put water on it and you don't see any bubbles, you see? Before it was leaking through here. Now it's not leaking anywhere. Easy fix. All right, easy fix, easy fix. Not leaking anymore.